Waxplle Baby Nasal Aspirator Electric Nose Cleaner by Waxplle is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Safe and reliable. 5 levels of suction power and 2 sizes of soft reusable silicone tips in electric nose cleaner. Provide perfect suction for every size nose while not harming your baby's delicate sinuses. Streamlined design. Ravi Fun Electric Nose Cleaner is ergonomic design, 0 screw exposure, controlled by the simple push of a button allowing for one-handed use. Easy to clean. Simply open the detachable tips in the collection cup with hot soapy water. You'll never worry again about exposing your baby to bacteria or mold. The perfect gift for new mother. Gentle but powerful nasal aspirator will remove your baby's mucus without making much noise, so your baby can breathe easier and sleep soundly. Item include: well-packaged baby nasal aspirator, 2 sizes of silicone tips, 1 USB cable, a storage box and friendly customer service. Features: 5 gears can be adjusted and selected by one key control, easy and convenient for meeting different needs. Food-grade silicone suction head and nozzle, soft and skin-friendly detachable design for cleaning. Conveniently ergonomic design with humanized radiant, comfortable to hold rechargeable design with USB cable, easy to charge and durable to use. Anti-reflux design, can prevent the snot from flowing back into the nose. Use instructions. 1. Before use, soak the suction nozzle in warm salt water for 10 minutes to disinfect. 2. Install the nasal aspirator and open the switch to start. 3. If the nasal excrement is dry nasal excrement, can use saline or nasal spray to spray into the nostril first. The nasal spray should be exposed to the nasal cavity for 4 to 5 minutes. Note: the fuselage is not washable. Please do not put the fuselage in water to clean. How to use. 1. Choose an appropriate nose tip. After assembly, turn on the power button and choose a comfortable strength, then you can use. 2. Before using in baby's nose, it's better to use it on your arm to get familiar with the mode and music settings, and feel the strength of suction, so as not to scare your baby or hurt your baby. 3. Keeping the main body away from water. 4. For the safety of your baby's nose and health, please clean and disinfect it promptly after using. Easy maintenance. 1. Please clean the device with proper detergent. 2. Tear down the movable compartment and sterilize with boiled water or steam, but not in the microwave. 3. Please clean the device with dry and soft clothes after sterilization. 4. Do not expose to direct sunshine and damp area. 5. Do not use erosive chemicals to clean the device.